Here are a few methods to stabilize the bottom of a folding door. First method is to construct a supporting block, with one end tapered and the other end flush with the cabinet. This ensures that as the door panel moves towards the supporting block when closing, the tapered angle will push the door out, and the flush part will provide support for the door to rest on. This ensures that the bottom of the door panel is supported by the block. Second method is suitable for cabinets without a base panel. Such cabinets function as walk-in cabinets. Since there is no base panel, there is no place to install a supporting block. In this case, magnetic accessories can be used to provide slight stability and alignment. Last method, use the optional bottom guide profile for support. The optional guide profile set includes a plastic protection cover. Please remember to install this protection cover on the back of the folding door.